In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Shopify store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clear out your theme's core file so your storefront is effectively reset back to a blank canvas. A quick note before we begin. This process affects your store's public-facing theme, not your products, orders, or customer data. It's a powerful change, so proceed carefully and only if you're sure you want to wipe the current theme's layout. Start by opening the Shopify website and heading to your admin dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand menu and choose Online Store. This takes you to the Themes area where your current theme is listed at the top. On the theme card, find the three dots menu next to your theme options. Click those three dots to open the advanced actions for your theme and then choose Edit Code. This opens Shopify's code editor in a new view, showing your theme files in a sidebar and the code pane on the right. In the sidebar, locate the Layout folder. Open it, then click the file named theme.liquid. This is the master layout template that controls how every page on your storefront is structured. Changing it affects the entire site, which is why it's the single place to reset the look and layout of your store. With theme.liquid open, scroll down through the file so you can see the full contents. You're about to remove the code that renders your storefront. When you delete the contents of theme.liquid, your theme will no longer output the layout or sections that were previously there, effectively resetting how the store displays to visitors. This won't erase your data, but it will clear the theme's structure and visuals. After you delete the code, your storefront will reflect that reset. You can expect a blank or minimal output until you add a new theme or rebuild the layout. If you rely on specific apps or customizations, be aware they often depend on this file. Once it's cleared, those custom hooks won't run until you reintroduce them. A few practical tips to keep in mind as you do this. Make sure you're working on the theme you intend to reset and consider your plan for rebuilding afterward. If you want the option to restore your previous design, it's wise to preserve a copy of your theme before making changes. And remember, this process is focused solely on the theme layer. Your products, collections, and settings remain in your admin. That's the full flow. Open Shopify, go to Online Store, use the three dots to access Edit Code, navigate to Layout, open Theme. Liquid, scroll, and delete the code to reset your store's theme.